Hi there, I'm Maureen Chiana. I'm a neuro leadership and resilience trainer and consultant. I got into this through having issues with failure, where my mind was just going all over the place and almost at a place of depression. So I'm so passionate about empowering people to take back control of their brains, because I know the freedom that you get from being able to do this. I know the freedom people get from just understanding how the brain works. The moment I discovered exactly how the brain works, how my thoughts affect our actions, how everything we do is driven by our thoughts that create emotions and then actions, it completely changed my life. I've been fortunate to be able to work with managers, with leaders in organizations and business owners, and I see the great transformation that takes place once people understand exactly why they feel the way they feel. Understand exactly why they're behaving the way they behave. So in a way, it's kind of going back into the driver's seat of our life and taking that control back. And that's why I truly enjoy and I'm passionate about talking about it, but most importantly, actually helping people achieve their goals and break free from the negative and limiting thoughts that keep them bound. Thank you.